All right, guys, we're gonna do a cold start on this 92 Mustang. I'll pop the hood as well. Buzzer and everything works. All lights, interior lights will light up. Got a rebuilt radio with a Bluetooth. As you can see, the shock tower. Shock towers are really nice. All your original VIN stickers are in place. Really clean engine bay. The interior, I didn't take too many pictures, but it's got the Recaro seats in them, original back seat. I do have the original passenger seat. The driver's seat had one of those leans to it, and the frame has a crack in it, so it would need another driver's seat, but I do have a perfect shape passenger seat. Do have the original console, added the power ports and the cup holders. Original radios rebuilt with Bluetooth. Just a really nice car throughout. Sunroof. And as you can see, got all the original books, Marty report, you know, original brochures, repo window sticker. So, car is ready to go. Should make somebody a fun car, especially with the spring coming up. I do want to show you this. You know, the car is an original paint car, so like the trim and everything's got some fade to it, but I mean, it's a really nice original Survivor car. Got a little bit of paint's getting a little thin back there on the deck, but not terrible. Oops, lights went out. Got these lights on the timer for some reason. Anyway, any questions, feel free to reach out. Really nice car. Thanks for checking out the videos.